social media over the past few weeks. She could have even having her husband in her mind and said, come off, left the charity alone, and she still want to do it. She could have many problems otherwise. And at that present moment, at the fridge, the hose want plug it. And at that present moment, she unleashed. Lady from Canada, you's a big hypocrite. You should have never taken off the award show. I know you from 2015. And you change. From teaching you my cooking skill, come on Facebook, you change. Let me make it clear. I mean, no come here for cause toleration. I mean, no come here for cause contention. Me come here for talk the truth and talk the truth. From teaching you my cooking still, come on Facebook. Princess. Me know what your name kind of damn princess. Come in for that to pay birth paper. You change. You change. You change like a green lizard. You change. I know you from 2015. You and I have been communicating over the past from 2015. You dash me under the bus for plankers. Me, Marcia Campbell. You come and talk a lot of stuff about me. But remember at one point, lady, you came to me, Marcia Campbell, to be the ambassador for your organization. And now in 2022, you dash me under the bus because of popularities. Hey, you don't know me, but me don't expect you to go on like you know, because Judas betrayed Jesus. You come, me here with your own ears, and like me and her was friend, I only inbox her and say to her, behave yourself. Conversation like that, a raw liar. It's a lie. You know what gets me hungry? I hate when people try to change, and when them know people very well, you speak to them and then they come on Facebook and dash you under the bus like they never know you. And I hope you guys are learning from your mistake and learning how people are. They only know you when you're on top. They don't know you. Me always the on top, you know. But they tends to go for popularity people. And some of them is a big hypocrite. Woman is a big hypocrite. You're a big hypocrite. And when I am not here to take up for nobody. I'm just splitting justice. Because me hear some name a call, some mash up award and me never deserve it. And me take up for Anna. Me not take up for Anna, but me a split justice because this altercation happens to many. I have heard teaching you my cooking skill. Get out pan donors already pan fear page. She may not cost bad word, but she get out pan donors pan her page too. And many others. I'm here to split justice. 2 weeks before the award show, persons are looking forward to come to a beautiful place like Canada. And you're going to take away the opportunity, but at least you get it. Because you were told by your elite people to cancel her. For what? What did she do to you? What do you call representation of woman when you are following a man who bumbleclot ridiculed me for pussyclot one here on social media and downgrade me? And him the pan flyers. She should have still up there. Eh? She should have still up there. What do you call that? You follow somebody where really cute me and describe me all kind of way. And for months and 1 year straight. And you are coming out to take off a girl where you give award 2 weeks prior to come to Canada because she and a woman when I have nothing to do with the award show if you say you want to be prop. Oh, you're supposed to be a go on like you go on proper about award when the blood clot award already done spoil already from morning with whole heap of contention and fuck where we are going. Eh? You tell me now. Eh? Look on the amount of fuck where we are going with the award show. Eh? Where you take her off? Where you take her off? Her she, Mrs. She write note and say, and she said she never go. That don't make no sense. You is a one-sided lady. And let me tell you something. Mark my 10. We're not going to live to see one piece of rasp on social media. Everything that I predicted on social media, it come to pass. And let me tell you something. We're not going to hear piece of Waterloo. We're not going to fly over my page and say, we're not going to call me next door. You're not going to call me, Marcia, I'm so sorry. You know, I say these things about you, but you are really a reader woman. You no can't done me as you done me already. You no can't done me. Whether you want to call me Cassie, eh? Big butt. You no can't done me nothing. Me no care when you want to come with. You no could have my pussy on a platter with 2 pieces of lettuce, spanish and tomato and some salad dressing. You no can't done me. And if you no piss me off on Facebook, I'll come out with some voice note.